What would an interconnected metaverse look like? And what tools are needed to make it possible?
Okay, so this is your question.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
All right. It's populating.
So basically, what we're we're kind of getting the inside scoop of M squared here, right? Because like their whole thesis is they're building a interconnected network of metaverses, right? So
Yeah.
this is basically we've just unveiled their internal roadmap with
Yeah.
this question. So let's see what they're building.
All right. An interconnected metaverse is a virtual world that is composed of multiple interconnected virtual spaces, allowing users to move freely between different virtual experiences and environments. This could include a wide range of virtual experiences such as games, social platforms, educational environments, and other types of interactive content. To create an interconnected metaverse, a number of different tools and technologies would be needed. This could include the following: virtual reality technology. It would be necessary to use VR technology such as VR headsets and controllers to enable users to interact with the virtual world in a natural and intuitive way. Networking and communication tools. To enable users to move freely between different virtual spaces, it would be necessary to develop networking and communication tools that allow different virtual experiences to connect and communicate with each other. This could include the use of open standards and protocols such as Web3 protocol to facilitate interoperability between different virtual environments.
All right.
Tools for creating and managing virtual assets. In order to create a rich and dynamic metaverse, it would be necessary to provide tools and platforms that allow users and developers to create and manage virtual assets, such as virtual lands, buildings, and other property. This could include tools for building and modifying virtual spaces, such as well as systems for managing ownership and access rights to these assets.
Okay, that's us again.
Yeah. Number 4, platforms for hosting and distributing virtual experiences.
That's also us, dude.
To make the metaverse accessible to a wide range of users, it would be necessary to develop platforms and tools that allow developers to host and distribute their virtual experiences to a large audience. This can include app stores, online marketplaces, and other distribution channels that make it easy for users to discover and access a wide range of virtual experiences.
Wow. It's happening, dude. It's all happening right before our eyes.
Yeah. Overall, an interconnected metaverse would be a complex and dynamic virtual world made possible by a wide range of technologies and tools. By enabling users to move freely between different virtual experiences and environments, it would create a more immersive and engaging experience for participants.
So I'm assuming, obviously, this is all good. Point number 1 is obviously debatable. Some people don't think VR. I think it's almost...
It gives you a different type of experience in the metaverse.
Yeah, it's definitely not necessary to achieve an interconnected metaverse ecosystem, right? But at some point, I think VR will become like the standard link mechanism from, physical to virtual at some point.
There would need to be some significant improvements because you can sit there and play video games, 8 hours straight. But you couldn't do that with a VR headset. Today's VR headset, at
Not
least.
8. Oh, you would have to take some
2 hours
breaks.
Would be like stretching it.
Yeah, it's true. Even for these kids,
Yeah.
2 to 3 hours at most. But yeah, it needs to get to the point where you literally almost can't even notice it.
Yeah.
Pretty
much.
Good luck with that, dude. So yeah, it's gonna take some time. But still, like when you ask this question, this isn't really what you're looking for, right? You're looking for more of like a technical solution to how do you make
what would an interconnected metaverse look like, and what tools are needed to make it possible?
Communication. Okay, so
I wasn't trying to lead it into anything. I was just curious as to what it thinks it would look like.
I thought at this point you were just kind of looking for more confirmation on your own thoughts.
No, definitely not. not in this particular question, no.
Okay, so you're satisfied. AI it's on point still.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Other than the virtual reality stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah.
No, this is all spot on. But again, this is all stuff that exists. For we're providing these tools and these platforms for content distribution and hosting. It exists.
Yeah.
Go to Minizone.io, dude. There's just a lot of shameless plugging happening on this episode, but fuck it, dude.
Yeah.
If there's ever one to do it on, it's this one. But dude, we're fulfilling all these core tenets.
Yeah.
But we obviously know that's still not enough, right?
Yeah, correct.
What it is we're doing now, or what exists, is not going to enable an interconnected metaverse ecosystem to emerge, right? There's so much more.
Yeah, but I think if our focus is on the developers, I think it can focus on the interconnected metaverse. Because if you solve the developer's dilemma in like, I want to make stuff, but I definitely don't want to make stuff in each of these siloed metaverses.
Yeah. Okay, so we're getting somewhere.
Right? So I'm going to use a platform or a technology that allows me to develop and make stuff that can all easily go to these different metaverses.
Yes.
Because otherwise, I'm not going to spend my time on these silos.
That's not what it's saying, though.
No, it's not.
That's my point. That's I was thinking you were going to try and like really get it to, again, like solidify this understanding of ours. It's
maybe
like,
let me ask it the same question, but let me give it a perspective of the developer. So just out of curiosity.
All right, dude, we're doing real-time
editing here.
Theory crafting, AI, like
what is needed?
Canoodling, that's the word.
What do developers need in order to make, hold on, let's see. What do developers need to build for an interconnected? No, is that a good question?
What do developers need? Or maybe it's like, what infrastructure remains in order to enable developers to build content that is interconnected to different virtual worlds? Does that make sense? Dude, there's no way it's going to answer that.
Let's see. What infrastructure do developers need to build for an interconnected metaverse? Is that right?
Remove the do. What do infrastructure do?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what infrastructure do developers need? Yeah, dude, good luck. Good luck, AI.
All right, here we go.
It's going to be difficult to tell.
Okay, it has an answer.
Just comes out with a concise answer.
Yeah, it's like,
this is what's needed, guys.
Yeah, what the fuck, dude? It's still going. Okay, let's see what we got.
So what infrastructure do developers need to build an interconnected metaverse? Developers would need to create a robust infrastructure that supports a wide range of virtual experiences and enables users to move seamlessly between different virtual worlds. A network of servers and data centers.
Oh, here we go. We're getting something interesting. Okay.
To support the large-scale operation of the metaverse, developers would need to create a network of servers and data centers that can handle the high volumes of data and traffic that will be generated by the metaverse. The infrastructure would need to be highly scalable, redundant, and secure to ensure the metaverse can operate smoothly and reliably.
So this is what this is what Meta is spending billions of dollars to provide. Right? That layer of the infrastructure for sure. So no, it's VR again.
VR again.
Which also Meta is providing.
All right, number 3. Tools and platforms for creating and managing virtual assets.
Oh, this is the same.
Yeah, in order to allow users to develop, create, manage.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's the same.
So they just added in server space, essentially.
Yeah.
Okay, dude. So this is interesting. So, I mean.
So a network of servers is needed. So that was the only thing that's different.
Yeah, well, we knew that. But, so it's going to be really difficult to get AI to basically, support our
because
stance
it's new. It doesn't exist, right? So
basically means we need to put out way more articles.
Yeah, pretty much.
So whenever they do make that update, that 2022,
it's like
update.
You have access to 2022 data.
Yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. All right, well, that's all right. That's it's still a good answer nonetheless.
Yeah. All right, this is number 7. How can people use artificial intelligence to build out the metaverse?
Interesting.
All right.
AI-powered avatars. Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's see. So number 1, creating AI-powered avatars. AI can be used to create realistic and lifelike avatars that can represent users in the metaverse. These avatars could be capable of engaging in natural conversation and responding to user input, creating a more immersive and interactive experience for users.
Aye.
Develop AI-powered virtual assistants. AI could also be used to create virtual assistants that can help users navigate the metaverse and find the content and experiences that they're looking for.
Cool.
These assistants could use natural language processing and other AI technologies to understand user requests and provide helpful and accurate information. Number 3, generating AI-powered content. AI could be used to generate a wide range of virtual content such as virtual landscapes, buildings, and other objects that can be used to create more realistic and immersive virtual environments. This content could be created automatically using AI algorithms or could be generated based on user input and preferences.
Fascinating.
Number 4, creating AI-powered games and experiences. Finally, AI could be used to create new and exciting virtual experiences in the metaverse. For example, AI could be used to create intelligent game characters that can adapt and respond to user actions in real time, creating more dynamic and engaging gaming experience.
Interesting. Basically, better NPCs.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be nice.
By leveraging AI technology, developers can create and creators can build out the metaverse in new and exciting ways and create new opportunities for economic growth.
Yeah, this is they all seem pretty credible.
Yeah.
Obviously, we know AI can be used for content generation, and we've been talking about that, like how to stay ahead of this AI wave and incorporate more tools for developers or creators to leverage when it comes to making metas because the metaverse, I mean, it's going to be massive, right? So the need for content will be massive as well, the demand. So I think humans probably could keep up with that demand, but the whole idea is for AI to make things more efficient and more scalable, I guess.
Yeah.
Like as far as like, maintaining operation. So for sure it's going to help with that. What else, dude? I mean, at what stage do you think AI just becomes like normal living citizens within the metaverse? I guess that's that last point, right?
Well, I think we're getting pretty close. I mean, talking to Siri or Alexa or Google or that.
Or even this stuff.
Yeah, even this stuff. Like we're
thinking about injecting these things into our rovies, which like there's the ability to have dialogue with a metaverse companion.
Yeah.
Powered by AI. I think it's
natural. Feels like it fits.
I think so. Yeah. How else are we gonna ever escape that potential inevitability of forever loneliness?
But what's needed is some personality. Like you need to be able to inject some seed values that allow for different responses for same input. It's like, how are you doing today? It's like you're gonna get various responses from rovies.
It's true.
It's like I want my rovie to be passive aggressive.
Yeah. And like a little bit dominant.
Yeah.
So talk shit.
Yeah.
Step on you from time to time.
Yeah.
A little bit of torture.
You like that, huh?
Not me. I'm sure others would.
All kinks welcome.
There you go, dude.
Yeah.